Mic check. Alright. Ayan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just adjust the camera really quick. Magandang gabi. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind kung saan we talk about the stock market every day. And if you're a newbie, this is the best program for you kasi ang gagawin po natin dito is we are gonna be guiding you here sa Daily Grind in your stock market journey, especially if kakasimula mo pa lang. This will be the program where you can ask for guidance if you want to consult something, if meron kayong hindi naintindihan, even technical analysis of a certain stock. We will be doing that. So, welcome to another episode of Daily Grind. Beautiful Wednesday, Thursday evening po sa inyong lahat. Market, PSEi did a pullback. Kaya nag-pullback po ang market natin ngayon. Let me just adjust the chat really quick. Sorry. Let me just adjust this. It should be okay right there. Perfect. Kasi I really want to see the chat kasi babasahin natin yan lahat. Just to make sure your chats are seen on the screen. Yan, PSEi today is red. Right? Pulahan. That's to be expected. Napakalakas ng akyat ni PSEi in just how many days? From the bottom. And in just how many days it climbed 12%. So that's quite fast for Philippine Stock Exchange. So we're expecting pullbacks after very strong rallies. Especially yesterday, we had a very strong rally. So we were expecting a red today. So pula market ngayon, but look at that. Net foreign buying and selling is not that much. Mas konti lang ang nagbenta ng mga ng mga foreign investors sa mga assets nila. Especially right now na ang laki na ng tubo ng mga assets ha. So it's about time to take profits, di ba? Pwede naman sila kasi mag-take profits. Hindi naman kasi yan long-term yung mga net foreign buying selling na yan. Meron din dyan nagtitrade. Right now, it's pulling back. Investors are, especially the foreign investors are already taking profits. Pero the good news is, hindi gaanong nagkakabentahan. Wait. I'm showing the wrong screen. My bad. Mukha ko lang ang papakita ko sa inyo. It should be... Nope, not that one. Display capture. There you go. Sorry about that. Technical issues. Okay to kahapon. Hindi ko naman ginagalaw to. But there it is. The red of the market today. Just how many days? 12% po ang inakyat ng PSEi. So we were expecting na mga pullbacks. But net foreign selling is only negative 2.67 million to be exact. So that's very good. Even on a pullback, mas ang konti lang nang nagbebenta ngayon. Market is still bullish, my friends. So hopefully nakapasok na kayo sa mga positions nyo. Congratulations sa mga may GMA7, yung mga who went in GMA7. I've been telling you this even before. One of my favorite stocks for dividends investing is GMA7. Malapit na election. Right? Malaki nakikitain na naman. And who guess which company is gonna be taking it all? Wala na po ABS-CBN. GMA7 is gonna be taking the lion's share of the advertising proceeds from that one. So yeah, GMA7 looking very well. But I don't recommend this anymore. Always wait. Also gonna be always wise to wait for the pullback. Huwag po kayong maghahabol dyan, okay? It will pull back. It's on mania phase right now. Congratulations sa may mga GMA7 nonetheless. But yeah, it's okay. Hindi tayo maiinggit because you trust your trading system, right? You have your own trading system. If this does not fall into your trading system, then don't go for it. Simple as that. Okay? And medyo hype na yung background. So let's go to our chill background muna tayo. Alright. So, congratulations sa mga may hawak ng GMA7. OR! I told you, okay na si OR. Pag nag-breakout, andyan na. Nag-breakout si OR. Massive climb kanina. Ang daming developments ng company na ito, man. I would say that's already a good buy right there for OR. Congratulations sa may mga pumasok kay OR. ATN is starting to go breakout already. That's a buy for me. That's a good signal for you to get in OR, right? Let's talk about more sa mga questions nyo later. But yeah, international market naman, Showing you on my screen right now, we are already up $234. Alright, that's good. Alright. Yan. Very good positions natin. Overall, for this month, we are already up 4% for June. So, congratulations sa mga nagka-copy trade sa akin. Sa mga hindi pa nagka-copy trade dyan, you can, if meron na kayong eToro account, you can copy trade me. If ever gusto nyo po na ako lang bahala mag-trade sa inyo. Right? My trading right here is more into mid to long term, so hindi po mabilisan ng pera. But at the very least, for this year, we are already up. Asan na yun? Stats. We're already up 17%. If ever simula pa lang ng taon, kinopyan yun ako. There will be months na pulahan tayo, but I manage my risks. So, negative 1.21 is the lowest that we have. Well, negative 1.28 for April. That's okay. That's okay. Okay lang yan. Hindi naman kasi all the months magi-green yan. Pero may mga traders na ganun. Marami namang traders na mga ganun. But yeah, if you wanna copy me, I invite you to copy trade me. Alright, dito sa eToro. If ever may eToro account na kayo. Right, international market is looking well, definitely. NSDQ, Nasdaq 100 where I trade. Ayan, nagrarally na ang market. We're already hitting topish areas already, but nonetheless, it's bullish at up this moment. So far so good for me sa mga trades ko. Yung ibang mga positions ko, most probably I'm gonna be taking profits on some of my positions later tonight. Pero yeah. Still good for me, man. Right, congratulations sa mga nagte-trade. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ask ko lang po if okay trade si Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 as the index. I don't recommend right now since mataas na si Nasdaq 100. On the pullbacks, ang ganda kasi ng Nasdaq 100. Pullbacks nila is minsan lang nagpo-pullback. If you can see the screen, the pullbacks are right here. If you see reversals, maganda yan. Very bullish kasi ang gaganda ng mga assets na nasa loob ng Nasdaq 100. My favorite market, definitely. Yes, pwede siya trade, but right now, it's already very high up there. On the pullbacks, man, if you want to trade Nasdaq 100. Alright, so let's go to the top of the comments really quick. Good evening, once again. Please share this video. Paki-share po itong video nito. Please share this to your friends, to your relatives, to your trading groups. If you have any trading groups up there, please share this video para yung mga newbies doon magkabayan natin. Let's let them know that there's a program like this na pwede nilang matakbuhan if ever nagsisimula pa lang sila sa stock market. Diba? Sakuranay, good evening. Ishi Marimat, good evening. Laura, Napa, good evening. Salazar Aziz is looking at LRW. Let's check out LRW. LRW, massive pullbacks. We talk about the pullbacks. Yun. Mukhang mag-green to bukas. Pag nag-green to bukas, then you will be riding it on the trend line. Let me load my chart layout. Pero man, nakalipad na kasi to. Not my kind of trading. If ever you're a follower of Elliott Waves, that means na if ever you follow Elliott Waves, meaning natapos na tong malakas na trend na to, right? Ilang beses na yung 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be the last wave for Elliott Wave, and there's gonna be a massive pullback when you see that those two reds right there. So for me, this is not good to follow anymore according to Elliott Waves, but should you wanna get in, test the uptrend line. That's gonna be your support. That's where you buy. Pag nag-green yan bukas, test it out. You might get a good rally pa. Pero don't recommend that anymore. Naiwan na tayo dyan. These are my positions right here. Reverse head and shoulder patterns. Love those kinds of trades. As for LRW, Jepoy Gagarin, good evening, Sir Lloyd. May problem yung screen sharing mo po. Oo nga po. Sorry about that kanina. Yung isang monitor ko na screen share. Ali, buy the pullback by fruit. Oops, sorry. Ali, doing a pullback right now. Actually, ayoko nang pilin si Ali eh. Been talking about Ali here. Right now, it's doing a pullback. Nasa RSI, topish na tayo sa RSI. So, I don't want you to follow this anymore. Next pullback na lang, masyadong nakalipad na si Ali. Right? But overall, okay pa naman siya. Napupullback siya ngayon. If you're a long-term investor, pullbacks for Ali is very good. But if you're a trader, Look at this right here. This rally has already been 21% strong. That's already very, very strong for a blue chip like Ali. So I don't recommend that anymore. Laura, good evening. Frutas rin naman from Ray Membreve. Let's check out Frutas. Right, Frutas. Solid. Sabi natin sa inyo dati, if ever Frutas pag mag-breakout is gonna be the buy. Sadly, it did not sustain the break. Pero meron tayong massive support dito eh. At this point, pwede nyo na itong, pwede nyo itong what do you call this? Pwede niyo itong bodega. Pwede nyo nang bodegahin to si Frutas. Mababa pa naman yung presyo niya. Buy some right here because most probably it already attempted to do breakout with volume before. So there's a high chance that it will do a breakout again. It's creating a support right here in this area. Buy some right there. If ever bumaba pa sa support, then I would buy more definitely at this support. This support is very strong. Look at that right there. Hanggang dun lang. If ever it goes further down, then stop your losses. But that's a strategy you can do with Frutas at this point. Ruel Deo Careza, good evening sir. Ask ko lang po kung kailan i-fund yung muna. Kailangan i-fund muna yung XM account bago mag-open ng MT4 app. No need to fund your XM account, right? If you create an MT4 app and then fund the MT4 right away, dun mo na sa MT4 mo, then okay na yun. Right? Aba po sir. Right, Aba. Right. Aba, let's check out Aba. Pala, ano tong sinasabi ni Ruel Diocareza? This is for the bot trading because you're gonna be using MT4. You're gonna create a new MT4 account, fund that MT4 account so that you can start with the bot trading. Inviting you guys sa bot trading. It's been very fruitful for us the past few weeks, months even the past few days, right? It's been very fruitful for us. So I invite you to join yung bot trading natin. Andyan po sa video description yung link ng bot trading. Siguro sa bukas na episode, I'm gonna be adding link about the video of bot trading since matagal-tagal na yung video about bot trading. But you can check it out, bot trading past episodes natin. Should you wanna know more about what bot trading is. Technically, yung bot na magte-trade sa inyo, since tulog tayo most of the time sa gabi, at least yung bot, makikita niya if may buy positions. Ang ganda ng mga buy positions ng bot. Pag nakita niyo kung gusto niyo i-take profits, hindi pa binibenta ng bot, pwede niyo i-manual pagbenta. Mas maganda pag ganun, actually. Mas efficient yung bot pag ganun. Yeah. If you want that, I will call it passive income. But yeah, there is risk involved. We're dealing in Forex. But so far, so good. Ang ganda ng risk to reward ratio natin. Last month, yung drawdown natin was around 3 to 4% drawdown, right? Drawdown meaning pinakamababa inabot ng portfolio within the month. So it was only at -3 to -4%, right? But the reward for the 3% to 4% na drawdown umabot ng almost 20%. So risk to reward ratio, that's 1:4. We talked about risk to reward ratio yesterday. 1:3 is already very, very good. 1:4 po yung risk to reward ratio. Result niya last one. So yung bot namin ni Cranate, alam ko may mas marami pang bot dyan na mas malaki pa ang kitaan. Pero I tell you, mas malaki ang kitaan, mas higher the risk. We really wanted to incorporate my yung trading discipline namin about risk management. So the bot has low risk, pero yung reward niya okay pa rin. But if you compare it to other bots available out there, yung results niya, it's not that in terms of amount, yung results niya mas maliit. But the beauty of our bot is yung risk to reward ratio. Sobrang ganda. So if ever natatakot kayo, magsisimula pa lang kayo, especially kakasimula nyo pa lang sa trading, it's gonna be a very good bot for you since at this point of your financial journey, every peso counts really. If ever nagsisimula pa lang kayo sa financial journey, in short, hindi pa tayo mayaman, right? We want to be rich. We want to be financially free. Every peso counts. So low risk, pero okay ang reward. Yun yung hanap mo. Mamaya na yung high risk, high reward kasi malaking chances mawala ang pera mo, malaki rin ang kitaan. Diba? Pero every peso counts right now. So, as much as possible, wag mawala yung pera nyo. So, we're looking for very low risk investments as much as possible. So, yeah. Join the bot. Aba po, sir. Aba, doing a pullback right now after the breakout. Pag nag-green to bukas, man, that's already a buy right here. Sharing the screen right now. Resistance right here. Nag-breakout na siya, nag-pullback. That's to be expected. The next green is gonna be the buy as long as nag-confirm siya ng support. Previous resistance becomes the previous support. So, Laura, good find right here. Abangan mo yan bukas. John Sarmiento, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ask ko po, okay, it trades in Nasdaq 100. We answered this already. Ano po yung tingin nyo sa ACB, sir? TP na ba? Let's check it out. Saan mo ba napasok si ACB? Yeah, I would say mukhang okay na. If ever pinasok nyo to sa baba, this is already take profits for me. It's showing signals of resistance already. Pero ang ganda ng volume niya lately, ha. So I would say take profits, sell half. Sell 50% of your positions because I think the volume is already still very good. And overall, okay pa naman yung rally niya. Right? JCB. I've been talking about Aurora Cannabis before. Ang ganda ng stock na to, but yeah, it is about marijuana. So, this will depend on your moral position. Okay. I would say take profits ito if malaki nakita nyo. Ang ganda ng rally na to. This is very big rally if ever napasok nyo sa baba. This is already 61%. Amazing. Congratulations. Good evening po, sir. Insights kay Beyond and Spot po. Let's check out Beyond Meat. Alright. Beyond Meat. Resistances, my friend. After a very strong rally, ito yung sinasabi nating Elliott Wave sa inyo. If this breaks out, then that's gonna be your entry point. Okay? Kasi nahihirapan na siya. Then Spot. Alright, Spotify. Tech. May resistance kay Spotify, ha. I would say, mas maganda if mag-breakout muna si Spotify. It's looking well. RSI is already ramping up. So, may rallies na tayo slowly. So, Spotify, let it break out before you wanna get in. Good find right here. As for Spotify, sir, pa-check po si Monde Nisin. Ang ganda na ng position ni Monde. Diba? We've been talking about the fundamentals of Monde. Ang ganda ng fundamentals ni Monde. After na dyan, umakyat din kaagad. Maganda for long term, yes, definitely. Ang ganda pa rin ng, yeah, this is looking good. Let it pull back and bounce before you wanna get in Monde. Okay? Jojo, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Watching from Singapore. Yan, good evening sa inyo dyan, mga kapatid nating OFW na nasa Singapore. Especially kay Jojo. Share na din your live, pa-check po Shopify. Sir, tingnan natin yan mamaya, Jojo. Okay? Shoutout dyan sa mga kapatid natin na nasa Singapore. Shoutout din sa mga nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. Ayan, magandang gabi sa inyo dyan. Alright, going back to the live. Sir, pa-check po si LC, Lepanto Corporation. We talked about LC yesterday. Maganda na yung support ni LC. Yun. Sabi sa inyo, buy na yun eh. If you bought LC already, you would have won this one. I think magrarally to, my friends. Volume plus up, touching the upper Bollinger Band. So, congratulations. Sabi ko sa inyo kahapon, buy na to. This is already a buy. Dapat pinasok nyo na to. Right. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Thoughts about dividends ng CLI? Magkano ba yung bibigyan ng dividends sa CLI? Is it a lot? Dividends, ex-div is gonna be on June 15, 123%. This is big, man. Pero stocks ang ibibigay nila. So, that's still okay. After, pag nagbigay na to, babagsak ang stock niya, most probably 100% din. So, it's gonna go down to 3.5. But man, this is good, man. If you're into CLI is a very good company to go for long term. Ganda ng company na to, especially dito, they're the leading developer here in Cebu. Andito na naman si Ayala, but yeah, they're one of the best developers in Cebu right now. So if you're willing to go long term for this one right here, you're gonna get more than double your money right here. Yeah, go ahead, man. This is good. If you're into CLI for long term, which is, yeah, fundamentally, it's a good company. So, yeah. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Tapos na po ba yung Primex? Not yet. PRMX. Right, Primex is sitting in the support. Pag nag-bounce to, at the very least, that's your buy. But for me, this is not my kind of trade. Why? Sobrang mahal na ni Primex. I don't like trading overpriced stocks already. Overpriced assets, napaka-bearish na signals natin. I don't recommend this asset anymore for trading. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. BSC and Tech po. This is from Espre Sanyagan. Let's check it out, man. BSC. BSC support. Pag nag-bounce to, yeah, you can test out the support. Very good support right there. But strictly for trading, BSC is already a very, very expensive. So, pag nag-bounce yan, trade. Strict trade. Tech naman, okay naman. Tapos na yung downtrend niya right here. We're creating a support right here for tech. If ever mag-green to, you can use that as your support bounce. Definitely. Massive support right here. So, either there or there. Tingnan natin anong mangyayari kay tech bukas. PHA from Laura Napa. Let's check out PHA. Isa rin to. Medyo mataas na to. So, strictly for trading for PHA. Pero, yeah, gumagawa rin naman ng support si PHA. I would say let it break out na lang. Right? Let it break out na lang para may signal tayo na nagra-rally siya. Right? Let it break out, man. Mas maganda if mag-break out sa PHA. Break out with volume before niya pasukin. Right? Yun. GJ Torreades. Torreades, right? TBLT. Right, I've built. Meron din akong TBLT. Medyo malaki negative ko TBLT, but I'm still holding on to it. Why? Because of this rally right here. Actually, dapat nag-average down ako dito eh. Pero nung lumipad bigla, hindi ako nakapag-average down. But yeah, I still think it's gonna go for a rally definitely. Kapit Saucer, let it break out, man. Kung gusto niyo pumasok pa kay TBLT. But I already have my TBLT, so I think this is gonna rally. I think I'm gonna be recovering on my position kay TBLT. Pag nag-breakout yan. Jojo, good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Ayan, pacheck si Shopify. Shop. Yan. Kapit Saucer din. Let it break out muna, man, before you wanna get in. Shop muna, right? This is for Shopify. Jerry Clamasnero, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pwede po ba pa-check si Apo? Siyempre, man, for you, Apo. Hiking Society. Ang taas na nito. Sakit sa ulo to trade, man. I can't recommend this anymore at all. Sakit sa ulo trade to. Very volatile already. As a position trader, I don't like the positions anymore. Ito, ang ganda ng position sana nito. Right there. Breakout. Those are position trades. But right now, it's already way up there. Look at that bearish candlestick. I can't recommend Apo anymore, man. It's gonna be very, very bad trade. Hindi ka makakatulog dito. Baka bumagsak yan bigla. Ang taas ng babagsak mo. Right? Pwede rin naman siya umakyat, but the risks are high, man. So, rather not. Okay, mainggit dyan. Pa-check naman po si OCGN. Also have my OCGN. No, hindi. Yeah. Si OCGN yata yung nakita ko nag-drop eh. Okugin. Laki ng drop yesterday, yeah. Ito yung nag-drop si OCGN yesterday. At the very least, it is at the support. Problema ko kay OCGN, medyo mataas na kasi. Ito. So, gonna be very troublesome trading this, but pag nag-green to, that's OCGN respecting the support right there. I would say, let it go green. Sharp trade dito, cut loss below that for OCGN. Good evening, sir. What do you think about SMC? Very good company, definitely. Ganda ng trend line. Look at that. MA20 bounce. I always talk about MA20. Saan yung sasaluhin MA20? It created a support. Wala nagtanong sa akin about SMC kahapon. Right, if ever sinabi nyo to si SMC kahapon, I would have recommended buy na yan pag nag-green. Actually, pwede nyo nang bilhin yan. There it is. Good volume. Massive volume for SMC. But overall, okay pa rin siya SMC. Okay na to. Sakyan nyo yan, man. How strong did it go up? 3% lang yung nakyat niya. So, napakalapit pa rin sa support overall. Yeah, that's a buy. Good find, Adrian. Alexis Lopez, pa-check naman po si Riot. Magkakaroon po na rin po si Amazon ng digital and emerging payments division. Wow! Amazon. Didn't know about that, man, but definitely Amazon's very good company right here. So yeah, pullbacks right there, going sideways, and lakas na sideways ni Amazon kasi. So this is the massive support for Amazon. Short term is right there. We have a very strong resistance right here for Amazon. So that should be something that you need to take care of. Let it break out na lang muna. But yeah, let's check out Riot muna. Hi! Ganda! Go, man. Go for Riot. This is a buy for me. Okay? Massive support right here. Breakout right there. That's confirmation after this one. That's a buy for me, Riot. Good find. Silver po from Jovan Bombales. Let's check out silver. No, not sliver. Silver. Nasa high level si silver eh. Short na to. You can short this one, man. I think the rally is already done. This is a very good position for shorting. If ever marunong kayo mag-short selling, yeah. These are short signals right here. Lower highs right there for silver. That's shorting position for you. Sir, pa-check mo si Bloom and 80. Let's check out Bloomberg. Bloomberry. Bloomberg tuloy. Bloomberry, support is right here. That's where you test the rally of Bloomberry. Not there, not up there. So, Bloomberry, pabagsakin nyo muna. 80! Atlas. Laka. The very least, I want Atlas to stop the downtrend lang muna. Right? Very high price already for Atlas. So, can't recommend this, man. It's still on a downtrend. Let's see in the coming days. Kamustahin natin si Atlas. Jojo, Sir GMA7, please salamat. Masyadong taas na si GMA7. I don't recommend getting into that anymore unless you wanna be an investor. So kahit bumagsak yan when you get in, okay lang sa inyo. But too high of a rally already. I wanna stay away from GMA7. BBBY at AMC po. This is from Myrene. Right, let's check it out. Bed Bath and Beyond Incorporated. All right. Challenging kasi nakapag-rally na tong ganda ng support dito. Especially this one right here. Meron na tayong signals of RSI going up. We should have been able to ride this one. Right now, it's on a rally. So, it's always very challenging to get in rally. So, uptrend is right there. You can buy the uptrend right there. But if you want confirmation, let it break out from this triangle pattern that it's forming. That's how you enter BBBY at this point. And then AMC. Sir, last sir, from Adrian Villanueva, si LR. After this one, AMC. Oh, not this one. Is this AMC in Philippines? I believe not. AMC Entertainment, right? So, yan. Same with this one. Look at this MA20 bounces. Sobrang daming magandang entry dito. The signals are always there. Huwag dito sa taas. I think it's going on a downtrend already. Yeah, I think it's already done yung rally niya. LR, ano masasabi niyo sa takbo niya? Musta natin si LR Leisure Resorts. Good rally, man. So, ride the trend line, MA20. If ever abutin tayo sa MA20, that's gonna be your best entry point for LR. Jojo, last. Disney. Ano nga ba yung code ni Disney? Ayan, D-I-S. Ayan, Disney. Boom. Downtrend pa rin, pre. Pero ganda ng ang ganda ng rally dito, Recovery from the downtrend line. But still respecting the downtrend line of Disney. That's understandable since sobrang taas ni Disney before. This is scary, but if this breaks out from the downtrend line, at the very least, meron kayo entry point dyan. So, that's gonna be a very good... This is a good dip for Disney, by the way. So, yeah. Sir, patingin naman po, Ali and AC, kung tataas pa po ba? Actually, I don't think so. Pwede ba siya tumaas in the long term? Yes. Right now, I think this is the rally. I think this is gonna rest. I don't want you to chase that anymore. Kung gusto niyo pong habulin yon, let it pull back and bounce lang muna. At the very least, dips ang pasukin niyo para pwede niyo na long term. Asa na yun? And AC. Same with AC. Yan. Masyado mataas na po sa AC. Lakas na ng rally, man. It's already starting to rest. Wala na momentum mo, right? Use Bollinger Bands for your momentum. It closed right here na nasa loob na ng Bollinger Band. So meaning there's no more momentum in it. So it's kind of scary already. I want the market to rest muna. And then we'll wait for the next kick of the market. Right now, masyado mataas yan. Dapat dun pa sa baba pinapasok niya. Hindi dun sa taas, man. Anyways, Myrene, you're welcome. Jovan, Miles, sir, sa Twitter po ba? TP na pa po ba or hold? Let's check out Twitter. Congratulations, ha. So if ever you say TP na to, okay na to. Trend line's there, right? The trend line is holding. So I would say okay pa to. Pero medyo bearish yung pinapakita niya. If it goes red, you sell some already. If ever you're already earning in Twitter. Ganda na ng climb na to for Twitter. Good find, man. Congratulations, Jovan. Jojo, you're welcome. Sir Lloyd, your take po sa BHI, it's already way up there. I could be wrong. Pwede pa yung umakyat, definitely, man. But may volume naman kanina. So that's something at the very least. There's a strong resistance right there. So should you want to trade this one, breakout na lang po. Napakalapit yun po sa resistance. Right? For BHI. Okay. Let it break out before you want to get in. Adrian Villanueva, salamat sa mga advices. Sure, I'm using Bollinger Bands, volume, and RSI inspired by you. You're welcome, Adrian Villanueva. Sir, pasuyo naman po SEDG. Let's check it out, SEDG. Mil Sereno, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Kakapasok lang na late driving kanina. Magandang gabi. Hopefully you've eaten your dinner already. Sedge G, Solar Edge Technologies. There is a triangle pattern right here. Let it break out from the triangle pattern before you want to get in. Right. Sheila sa Diego, Sir BDO, then salamat po. Mukhang hindi nag-breakout si BDO kanina eh. I mean, nag-breakout na pala to the other day. So, nagpo-pull back siya. Next green for BDO is gonna be your buy. If ever hindi nyo napasok during the breakout. DMC, Andrew Ibanez. Let's check out DMC. Time check, it's 8:38. Aga pa naman. Let's go to YouTube. DMC, sobrang taas na yan. Never mind. Huwag nyo na i-mind yan. Right? Maipit lang kayo dyan. Let's go to YouTube. Sa mga nanonood natin dyan sa YouTube. Uy. No comments? Or there's a problem on my end? Usually may comments din kasi ito. Ayun, may comments na. Right. Thanks, Joshua. Good evening. Pa-check po si MM kung di pa nabanggit. Let's check out Mary Mart. Mary Mart, meron tayong resistance dito. Let it break out from that resistance right there before you wanna get in. M Lyrics. Right. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pwede din pa-check si SNDL. Sandal. Sundial. Sorry, sandal tuloy. Sundial. This is challenging, man. I think it's consolidating. It's creating a support right here. So, dito nyo i-buy, right? People are buying it at the support at this area. So, that's where you test it out also. Kakasinla lang ng rally niya. So, that's already a very good position for you. So, pag nag-green yan, go for it, man. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. How about AP, sir? Did we cover AP already? Avoid this power, hindi pa. Pag nag-breakout pa to sa AP, sa kanyang pasukin, may resistance, lakas na resistance. So, abangan nyo lang po muna. Gigi Miares, Sir Lloyd, pa-check si Google Alphabet. Let's check out Google. One of my favorite stocks talaga out there, man. Pero taas na ni Google eh. Usually, ang ginagawa ko for these kinds of assets, I let it pull back lang muna. Pull backs before I wanna get in. Nagra-rally siya ngayon pero walang gaano momentum. So, we're playing at all-time high levels. I don't like those positions. Even if this just broke out, no, I don't want those kinds of positions. Let it at least mag-consolidate. Ang lakas kasi ng Google eh. Hindi na pull back gaano eh. Whenever it pulls back, this is a very strong company right here. So, whenever it pulls back, you buy some Google. Yan. Irene Suzuki, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Thank you, sir. Reply about the bot account. You're welcome, Irene. Jericho Malabika, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Tanong ko, okay ba pasukin si IPO international market? Thanks. Yes, okay rin naman ang mga IPO sa international market. It's just that you have to have the right mindset when it comes to IPO, right? If you are gonna go into IPO, make sure you're not in it kasi gusto nyo hulaan during the IPO date, baka lumipad or baka bumagsak. So you're already betting at that point. If you're into IPO, if you want to go into IPO, it's because you want to be an investor of the company. So you don't really care what happens on opening day, right? What you want to do is, if it goes down, then you should be happy because this is your chance to even get more of the stock at a lower price if you're a fan of the company. If gusto niyo po yung company, yung gusto niyo yung growth factor, fundamentals, etc. ng company, yung future growth niya, right? So you have to have the right mindset for IPOs. That way, you don't really have to ask kung maganda ba pasukin ng IPO nito or not. Because if you know if it's fundamentally good, look at Monday. Right? On trading day, bumagsak. But because it's a very good company, after that, rally din kaagad. Diba? So, yeah, if it's a good company tas bumagsak on IPO day, then bala, bili pa kayo. Mas mura pa nyo pa mabibili kaysa sa IPO. There it is. Thoughts on martingale stats sa Forex, sir? Kung gusto nyo maubos ang pera nyo, go for martingale. If you have deep pockets, let me go clear. Martingale kasi is a strategy in Forex na ganito po. Actually, we did that in one of our we did that in one of our what do you call this? Seminars. If ever nag-donate kayo sa patreon.com, you get access to all of my seminars. Martingale is the strategy na asan yung group? Trading Masterclass. Right, so let me show the screen. See all. Actually, if ever magdo-donate kayo, 4 na seminars po ang makukuha ninyo. Forex trading, day trading, this trading strategy with RFA. Right? So, this is more of a martingale strategy. Ang nangyayari po kasi dyan is, with that strategy, he won the eToro trading, what do you call this? eToro trading competition. He won 1 million, not he won 1 million pesos, but he earned 1 million pesos with the strategy. But that is if you have deep pockets. Let me explain why, okay? Ganda, it's a good thing you asked me that kasi that strategy is being offered as a bot right now. Ganito po kasi yan. Whenever an asset, let's say gold or oil, usually it's used in Forex then. Whenever an asset, meron kasi yung pattern ng Forex. This is the lowest that has been in the past couple years. So usually, ito na yung lowest niya. So ang gagawin ng martingale is, since it's the lowest, we're already expecting for it to go up. So it will open a position right there. Right? It will open a position there. Now, if it goes down, hindi niya ika-cut loss. What you have to do is, since you are in leveraged position, pwede maubos ang pera ninyo dyan. So you have to average down. Right? You have to average down, you have to add funds para hindi ma-close yung position ninyo and you're still banking for the market to reverse. Right? Which is usually nagre-reverse din naman. If it goes deeper, then you add funds. So that when the time it reverses, you have a very big position na kahit konti lang akyat niya, ang laki na kaagad ng kita ninyo. So if you have deep pockets, martingale strategy is good for you. Okay? So, that's my 2 cents for martingale strategy. Okay din naman siya. Make sure you have deep pockets. I don't recommend that sa mga nagsisimula pa lang. Kaya nga po, gumawa kami ng sarili naming bot. Kasi kung ayaw namin, kasi kung gusto namin kung gusto ko pumasok ka sa martingale, yes, I would advertise the martingale bot because malaking pera dyan. But again, if you have deep pockets, man, which is most of us don't have, most of the Filipinos don't have. That's why I'm not a fan of it. Okay? So that's why we created our own bot na swak sa mga majority of the Filipino investors, majority of the Filipino traders, or mga nagsisimula pa lang na low risk and very good reward. I mean, it's already very good because of the risk that because of the risk that you incur. Si Martingale can go negative 100% before you can even recover. So, napaka-high risk, napaka-taas ng drawdown ng strategy na yan. So, you have to have deep pockets. Fund. Alright, anyways, Gigi Mijares. Sir, also si Nickel for PSEi. Let's check out Nickel. Very good question there, man. But I don't recommend it. So, nagsisimula pa lang. Nickel starting to go near the support. That's a good trade right there. Pero strictly for trading, since nickel is already very expensive. Right? So, sa support lang if you wanna trade nickel. Raymond Bernal, may balita po sir sa AR. I'm not really sure kung meron ba. But good pullback right there. Next bounce nito man, pasukin nyo yan. Thank you. Tilray, Sir Lloyd, last, right? Tilray. May bot na Nightingale strategy sa Forex. Sorry, someone's calling. Alright, anyways. Tilray. Still in a very good rally. Ganda pa rin ang... Nagla-live ako. Bakit tumatawag? Ask na your mom kung ano siya tawag na yung live ko. Alright, anyways. Sorry but... Alright, so Tilray, uptrend naman mga pre. I would say it's still a buy for me. Already sold my Tilray pala before. Okay, so sa Tilray, it's on a good rally. Actually, naiwan na tayo nito eh. Right? Ang daming signals natin dito, man. Look at that. Pababa yung presyo but RSI is starting to go up already. We have supports right here. These are the best entries for Tilray. Dapat doon natin pinasok. Tilray is still on a good uptrend. It's just that naiwan na to for me. There's good volume right there. So if you really want to get in, follow this trend line. Okay? Vash, good evening Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po ng APL. Thanks APL. Alright. Si BHI, masyado mataas na po yun. Alright. Apo, APL. Supports right here. Yeah, stick trading for APL. Follow the support lang kung gusto niyo i-trade yan. Right. BHI, too high. Alright. So, let it break out if ever gusto niyo talaga i-trade yan. Naiwan na tayo niyan. Masyado mataas na po yan. Anyways. Yun. 8:49. Tinatawagan na ako eh. Taka lang ha. Sige. Last 5 na lang. Tech po ba is good for long-term investment or pang swing to short-term trades? Short-term trades for Sakura Nai. Ito. XRP. I think Bitcoin is dropping, so I won't recommend crypto already kasi susunod yan for XRP. Eddie Ed, good evening sir. Good evening po. Airbnb. Alright, so unahin natin si XRP muna. XRP USD. Ripple US dollar. Yan. So, bearish patterns right there, man. So, I don't recommend that. just yet. Good evening, Idead, Coin, ABNB. Coin. Right, si Coin na stock. Coinbase Global. Nag-reversal na ba? There's a possibility that this can be a good support for Coin. Right? So, abangan lang natin. So far, so good. Yeah. Next green is gonna be a good support for Coinbase, right? Buy the support of Coinbase, man. Ganda. Airbnb right here. Creating a resistance right there. Yeah. If it breaks out for Airbnb. Chard Fernandez, sir. Si Meg. Right. Bilisan ko lang to, Meg. Mukhang tapos na. Gumagawa na ng resistance dito si Meg. Cup and saucer. Cup and handle right there. Cup and saucer tuloy. Cup and handle pattern right here. Let it break out from that resistance. DDMPR. It's already a buy for me if you at this point you will receive 4% dividends annually. If 4% annual dividends for you is already okay, that's a buy for you. If it goes further down, then that will increase your dividend the dividends you will receive then as a further buy. So investor mode tayo dyan ngayon. Thank you, sir, from Fisher Vargas. You're welcome po. Alright? Sensya na, ha? Alright, that's gonna be it for me this evening. Again, patreon.com/elbazar if you wanna donate to me. Go to patreon.com/elbazar. It goes to the charity. Yung charity works na ginagawa ko ngayon. I've been adopting a few of our youth here at home. Andyan na sila sa labas. Been training them for their talents kasi walang ganong support. So yeah, it goes to the people I'm helping right now. So patreon.com/elbazar if you wanna get access to my seminar, the Trading Masterclass, where I teach everything. If gusto nyo matutunan how I trade, if you wanna earn like this one right here, how I trade, my this kind of performance. If you wanna learn how I do it, then get the seminar you can get at patreon.com/elbazar. That's gonna be it. Suspended pala si AR. Sorry, I wasn't following for AR. Sorry about that. Team ipit kay AR. Sad. But anyways, yeah, that's gonna be it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. Once again, this is Lloyd saying, let's get rich together. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Kita-kits tayo bukas, right? We'll talk about the market again bukas. Congratulations sa mga nagbobot trade na dyan. If you wanna register for the bot trading with us, andyan po sa video description, meron po tayong konting slots available. Take advantage of it. Take advantage of XM's promo right now, which is double your investment. So if ever maglalagay kayo ng $250, bibigyan kayo ng $250 ni XM. Right? Sayang po yan. That's the best promo I can think of. So take advantage of it. See you again tomorrow. As always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone.